we are going to do deficit reverse lunges. So when I do these, I usually get asked in stream, why are you stepping on a platform while you're doing these reverse lunges? And the reason is so then I can go a little more range of motion. So notice here, as I come down, I can go a little deeper than I can if I was still on the ground. So just with that extra little range of motion, get a little deeper, coming down. That is the reasoning behind me standing on top of a plate or some sort of platform, just to get that deeper range of motion. Super quick video, just a little informative, FYI. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know. Leave them in the comments. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time.